Weekly crypto regulation roundup, DeFi broker rule repealed, Ukraine proposes wartime tax, and more. Crypto regulations. DeFi. Trade war. While the U.S. loosens its grip on crypto rules, Ukraine is tightening the screws to fund its war effort, showing how quickly the digital asset landscape can flip depending on who's making the rules and what problems they're trying to solve. Last updated, April 11, 2025. Journalist. Tanzeel Akhtar. Journalist. Tanzeel Akhtar. About author. Tanzeel Akhtar has been covering the cryptocurrency and blockchain sector since 2015. She has written for the Wall Street Journal, Bloomberg, CoinDesk, Bitcoin Magazine, and Bitcoin.com. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. April 11, 2025 at 21:52 GMT +3. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. President Donald Trump signed a resolution to overturn an IRS rule that would have required DeFi platforms to report user transactions. Ukraine proposed an 18% personal income tax and a 5% military levy on virtual asset gains. Paul Atkins was confirmed as the new SEC chair under Trump. It's been a busy week for crypto regulation, with new policies, reversals, and enforcement actions making headlines from Washington to Kyiv. The U.S. moved to repeal a controversial IRS rule targeting DeFi platforms. Ukraine proposed new taxes on digital assets to support its war effort. And Block Incorporated agreed to a major settlement over compliance lapses tied to its crypto services. Here's what happened this week in crypto regulation news and why it matters. Trump scraps IRS DeFi broker rule, a win for the crypto industry? In a shift away from Biden-era tax policy, former President Donald Trump signed a resolution this week to overturn an IRS rule that would have expanded reporting requirements for crypto brokers, including decentralized finance platforms. The now-reversed IRS rule, finalized in late 2024 and set to take effect in 2026, would have required certain platforms to report customer transactions, essentially classifying some DeFi operators as brokers. The intent was to improve tax compliance and help the U.S. Treasury capture billions in potentially uncollected crypto-related taxes. But the rule drew backlash from industry leaders who argued it was overly broad and risked stifling innovation in the rapidly evolving DeFi space. Critics said the IRS failed to fully understand the decentralized nature of these platforms, making compliance impractical or even impossible in some cases. Trump's decision to sign off on the repeal not only delivers a major win to the crypto lobby but also shows his increasingly pro-crypto stance, a position that may become a central plank of his financial policy. Ukraine's proposed crypto tax highlights global crypto regulation news. Ukraine has taken a major step toward formalizing its approach to taxing digital assets. The National Securities and Stock Market Commission, NSMC, this week unveiled a proposal that would subject gains on virtual assets to an 18% personal income tax with an additional 5% military levy. That brings the effective tax burden to 23%. Shared via Telegram by NSMC head Ruslan Magomedov, the proposal appears to be part of Ukraine's broader effort to modernize its financial system and align with international standards, particularly as the country continues to seek closer integration with Western institutions. While the proposal is not yet law, its detailed framework suggests Ukraine is serious about bringing crypto out of the shadows. The military levy, in particular, reveals the government's need for new revenue streams amid the ongoing conflict with Russia. Block Incorporated hit with $40 million fine over Cash App compliance failures. In the private sector, Block Incorporated, the parent company of Cash App, was dealt a regulatory blow this week. The digital payments firm agreed to a $40 million settlement with the New York Department of Financial Services, NYDFS, following an investigation into anti-money laundering (AML) lapses tied to its crypto services. The consent order, reviewed by Bloomberg, reveals that Block failed to perform adequate customer due diligence, overlooked suspicious activity, and lacked robust transaction screening processes, especially around high-risk Bitcoin activity. This isn't just a slap on the wrist, it's a wake-up call for fintech firms straddling traditional finance and crypto. Regulatory agencies are increasingly unwilling to tolerate lax compliance, especially when crypto is involved. The block case also shows a broader trend. Regulators are not just focused on setting new rules, they're actively enforcing existing ones. Companies operating in the crypto space must prepare for greater scrutiny, especially in high-stakes jurisdictions like New York. Paul Atkins confirmed as SEC chair under Trump administration. In another shift in the regulatory landscape, Paul Atkins has officially been confirmed as the new chair of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The Senate voted 52-44 in favor of the nomination, giving Atkins full authority over the agency tasked with overseeing America's securities markets, including crypto assets that fall under its purview. Atkins, a longtime critic of regulatory overreach, is expected to take a markedly different approach from his predecessor, Gary Gensler. His appointment adds yet another layer to an already dense week in crypto regulation news. Representative Troy Downing slams Gensler in heated committee hearing. If there was any doubt about the political divide over crypto, look no further than this week's fiery House Financial Services Committee hearing. Representative Troy Downing, Republican Montana, openly criticized former SEC Chair Gary Gensler for what he described as an ideological crusade against the crypto industry. During the April 9th session, Downing accused Gensler of failing to provide meaningful guidance and instead fostering an environment of hostility that pushed innovation offshore. His remarks captured the frustration of many in the crypto space who felt blindsided by aggressive enforcement actions and a lack of regulatory clarity during Gensler's tenure. Ongoing crypto regulation news points to a complex, unfinished global policy landscape. This week's crypto regulation news reflects the growing divide between enforcement-heavy and market-friendly approaches across jurisdictions. Trump's rollback of the IRS DeFi rule and Atkins' confirmation as SEC chair suggest a more crypto-friendly U.S. stance may be on the horizon, at least for now. Meanwhile, global players like Ukraine are tightening their frameworks to both legitimize and tax the digital economy. What's clear is that regulatory certainty remains elusive, but the stakes are only getting higher. For crypto entrepreneurs, investors, and policymakers, the next few months will be essential in shaping what comes next. Follow us on Google News. Trending News. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Solana price eyes $200 milestone in 2025 as momentum builds. Upward trend. Bitcoin price holds steady at $83,000 amid market turmoil. Is a breakout on the horizon? Picoin price skyrockets 55% in just 1 week. Is this the start of a major rally? Price analysis. Cardano price dips below 64 cents amid bearish sentiment. Could a recovery be imminent? 6 days ago. By Arslanbut. Price analysis. Bitcoin struggles below $81,000 as CZ's Pakistan move and FOIA lawsuit stir buzz. 4 days ago. By Arslanbut. Blockchain news. CoinShares head of asset management Frank Spiteri departs. Sources. 4 days ago. By Tanzeel Akhtar. Best crypto to buy now in April 2025. Top crypto to invest in. February 19, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in April 2025. 5 days ago. By NSS, Tavares. 9 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now. Upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Meb Keelikutty. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in April 2025. March 3, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. March 3, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. Next crypto to explode in 2025, our top picks. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.